I am super duper happy to announce finally here on my channel that What's poppin', everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Dani, and if you love sneakers and streetwear, then this channel is for you, so make sure to subscribe. So for today's video, guys, I'll be showing you how to get your sneakers legit checked here in the Philippines using SNKRSGRAM. SNKRSGRAM is the first and only legit check website here in the Philippines, and it is free, guys. It's free for all. So take this chance now to get your sneakers legit checked. If you want to learn more about SNKRSGRAM, I will insert some videos that SNKRSGRAM sent me. So roll the clip.
You ever worry about some shoes that you just bought and want to know if they're real or not? Well, go check out SNKRSGRAM.com to go check it out. Never want to get caught with some fake shoes, guys.
Shout out to all my fellow sneakerheads out there. Do you want to know how to check if the pair you're buying is legit? All you need to do is go to SNKRSGRAM.com.
What's up, everyone? I want to say hi to all the sneakerheads out there. If you want to check whether your sneakers are legit or not, I recommend you check out SNKRSGRAM.com.
So now I'll be showing you the process on how to use SNKRSGRAM. Actually, this is my first time using it as well. So let's see if my sneakers are legit. So let's go. Alright guys, I have my phone here with me na, and I will be showing you the step-by-step process on how to get your sneakers legit checked on SNKRSGRAM. Ito yung unang lalabas sa screen. Welcome to SNKRSGRAM. Be part of our growing sneaker community, COPS. Info leaks and discussions, one shoe at a time. Nice. Alright, so here you have two options. You can sign in by your phone number or sign in by Facebook. So I will be signing in with my phone number. Send. Please enter the number in the image. Okay. Alright, so I'm just waiting for the verification code so I can log in. Okay, yan, meron na. Sign in. So next, I need to put my nickname. So I'm gonna put Dani. Invitation code, wala. Okay, submit. Okay, now there, we are already signed up. Ganun ka dali. So as you can see here in their homepage, makita mo yung mga recent na nagpa-legit check sa kanila. Like itong Jordan 1 Shadow. Oh, may certificate pala. So, if you guys get your sneakers legit check, may certificate kasama. So, kung sakali you're selling one of your pairs, tapos gusto mo ipakita sa mga buyers that your sneakers are legit, you can get your sneakers legit checked here and get the certificate so you can send it to the buyer. Diba? Ang galing. And they already checked 17,856 sneakers. And they also have a community page pala where you can talk to other sneakerheads and share your bagong mga cup nyo or yung mga sneaker releases. This is a big help actually. Common room, they have the outfit of the week. Oy, si Carl! Shout out kay Carl! Actually guys, Carl has a video of SNKRSGRAM as well on his channel. So I will place it here in the card so you guys can check it out. Alright, so let's start with legit checking my sneakers. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So, ang gagawin ko, babalik na ako sa home. Oh, actually here may nakalagay pala dito na legit check tab. Okay, so there's a plus sign here. I'ma click that. And then may nakalagay if I'm gonna post on the community or magpapa-legit check ako. So, legit check tayo. Category required, Air Jordan. So guys, I'm gonna get my sneakers na ipapa-legit check ko. Boom! I have my Amo Manier Jordan 3s here. So ito ang ipapa-legit check ko sa app. I will input muna the details for the sneakers. So title, brand, plus sneakers name. So this is the Manier Jordan 3. Please take photos and focus your camera of the designated part of the sneaker. Okay, use a phone flash. Okay, so now I'll be taking pictures of my sneakers. So first is the sneaker appearance daw. So I'm gonna picture it like this. Okay. And then upload a clear flat photo of the tag. And then next, use phone flash to take the complete stitching under the insoles. Stitch on the left. So I'm gonna use this left sneaker. I'm gonna take out the insole first and show the stitching with flash. Okay, send. Next, we have this one. Right. Take out the insoles. Flash on. Okay. Next, hold the back of the insole in your hand and take a complete photo. Okay, done. So next, lay the shoe box flat and shoot the shoe mark. Okay, so this is the box. I will now picture the mark on the box. Okay, and then last is upload a photo of steel seal. So took a picture of that. And then upload other parts of your sneakers. I think I should upload yung sila dalawa magkasama. Oh, you guys are so beautiful! Okay guys, so I'm done taking the photos na and I will submit na my sneaker. Ang nakalagay dito is ang appraisers nila will give results within 1 hour or siguro mga 2 to 3 hours. Ang alam ko, they will text you if the results are in. So, let's submit na this. Submitted successfully. Alright, so it's live guys. Ayan, makita na yung mga photos na tinake ko. So now, I will be waiting for the results of my legit check. Ganun lang kadali. So, let's see kung legit ba yung aking sneakers or hindi. Oh my gosh, sana legit. I will get back to you guys later when the results are in. See ya! Hey guys, so it's been 8 days since I uploaded my sneakers on SNKRSGRAM for legit checking, and actually ang sabi nila makakuha ka daw ng SMS text from them kung tapos na daw yung legit checking. Pero kahapon kasi I didn't get a text, so hindi ko na-check yung account ko if tapos na ba yung legit checking. Pero today, nung nagising ako, I checked my account just to make sure kung tapos na ba yung legit checking, and ayun nga, tapos na nga. Kung sakali ganun mangyari sa inyo guys, check na lang from time to time your SNKRSGRAM account just to be sure. Kasi usually mga 1 to 2 hours ang sabi talaga nila doon. Pero I didn't get to check it kasi I was waiting for the text. Pero ayun nga. Actually guys, while I'm filming this video, nag-post si Sir Carlo Ople also about SNKRSGRAM on his channel. So I will link up his video here so you can check it out as well. So now, let's see the results of my Ama Manier Jordan 3 kung legit ba talaga siya. So we are now at the SNKRSGRAM homepage. I'm looking for my sneaker. Oh my gosh, itong off-white oh. Hindi daw legit. Oh no! Ouch! Ayun, may check! Yes! Legit ang aking sneaker. Ay, salamat. Ay, salamat. As you can see here, sa taas ng photo ng aking sneaker, may green na check. And then, nakalagay dito, check time 26 minutes. So there, ayan yung photos na tinake ko kahapon. And then, may nakalagay dito na check your certificate. So ganito ang itsura ng certificate guys, as you can see. Ang nakalagay dito sa taas, legit. And then your username on SNKRSGRAM, certificate number, and then sneakersgram.com. Air Jordan, yung photos na tinake mo of the sneaker, and then nakalagay dito sa baba, more pics of this sneakers, tas link. So, if you have a buyer nga, he or she can check out this link and check out more of the photos. And then, nakalagay dito sa baba is screenshot to save your certificate. So, I'm gonna screenshot it. Ayun. So, ganun lang kadali, guys. That's all you need to do. Super dali lang and very helpful itong certificate na to. As you can see sa video na to, all you need to do is sign up on SNKRSGRAM, take pictures of all the angles that they need, and then just send. Ganun lang kadali. And then wait for an hour or so, and then boom! Ayun na, makikita mo na kung legit ang sneakers mo or hindi. So, great job, guys. Wait, before I end this video, to all my sneakerhead friends there out in Luzon, I know grabe ang ulan dyan lately, and of course, hindi natin maiwasan lumabas for work or for errands. Syempre, namumuhay pa rin tayo, di ba? And one of the important things when it rains for us sneakerheads is of course our sneakers. And I will be sharing with you guys a product that I really love since day one, and it is this Drykicks waterproof shoe cover. Okay guys, so itong waterproof shoe cover na to is anti-skid, and it has an inner protection and a shoe strap. So I will be showing you guys how to use this. Okay, so this is a size small, so pwede ito sa mga size 5 below and hanggang 6.5 to 7 siguro. And don't worry guys, kasi ang sizing nila nito is until 2XL. So don't worry about the sizing. This is the high version, and there's also a low version if you guys are wondering. So let's see, I will show it to you. So yan, as you can see, black high length. Nakalagay dito yung dimensions ng sizes. I will show it to you. Can you guys see it? I will place a picture na lang here if you guys can see it. So there. So ito yung shoe cover. Ang gamit nila na material dito is yung parang sa mga raincoats talaga. And then, here. So you can see, dito sa ilalim, may grip talaga siya. So, hindi kayo ma-slide. Don't worry about that. And then, this is yung strap to make it more tight. So, I will be placing one of my sneakers inside this so I can show you guys. So, I have here my Jordan 1 Low UNC. Let's see if it's gonna fit this size small. Ayan, may nakalagay sa ilalim if it's the left side or the right side. So, this one is the left. I'm gonna put it inside. Alright. Ayun, kasha nga siya eh. My sneaker is a size 8.5 women's. And nakasha siya sa size small. Pero it's parang saktong-sakto na. If you want more allowance, I suggest you guys get a size medium. Okay, so now let's zip it up. Okay, there. And then, ito, meron silang parang lock pa dito. And then, this one, ang alam ko dito, you're gonna put it around like this so you can tighten it. See? Ayan o, para tight talaga siya. So now, let's put the other pair inside this. So this is my right pair. Ooh! Nice! So, ito guys, ganito ang itsura ng Drykicks. And I really recommend this kasi sobrang quality nung kanyang materials na ginagamit nila. Ayan pa, ganun yung logo nila. So nice. And look at the back, meron yung, ano tawag dito, reflector. So pretend dumalakad kayo sa labas, tapos gabi na, tapos wala nang masyadong ilaw. So, this one is really nice kasi kung nag-iimo ka man sa labas at basang-basa na kayo sa ulan, basang-basa sa ulan, ganon, at least nakikita pa rin kayo kung may mga kotse, and kailangan natin pa rin isipin yung mga sarili natin, and we have safety precautions pa rin. Drykicks actually has a Instagram and Facebook page. I will place it here. And they also have a website, and they are also on Shopee. I will place all the links on the description box if you guys want to order. And nga pala guys, I am super duper happy to announce finally here on my channel that I collaborated with Drykicks. They let me design one of their shoe covers, and super duper 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 big thing for me ito. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys support me. I will show a sneak peek of the design right here. Ganun na muna guys, cause of course, I want to show it to you guys in a whole video, and I will also explain kung paano ko na buo yung design na yun for you guys. So, I hope you guys will support me, and alam niyo na. Thank you! And that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're planning to get your sneakers legit checked on SNKRSGRAM, you can use my invitation code. I will place it right here. If you want more sneaker and streetwear content, you can follow me on my socials at streetbydani on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. See you then! Dani out!